Welcome. In the previous lesson, we had created the die assembly consisting of the strip layout and the die plate. We had positioned the die plate in alignment with the strip layout using CONTIA V5. However, it is practically impossible to position the strip layout correctly in alignment with the die plate. Imagine, I give you a strip and then ask you to position it on the die plate. It would be impossible for you to position the strip on the die plate accurately. Then how to position the strip on the die plate? We would do it with the strip guide plates, the strip support plate, and the locator pin. As you see in the illustration, two strip guides, one in the front and one in the back, are mounted on the die plate. The strip is positioned in between these two strip plates. There is also a support plate, which provides support to the strip. A locator pin is mounted on the die plate, which acts as a stopper for positioning the strip in the feed direction. During this chapter, I shall demonstrate how to design the strip guide plates, the strip support plate, and the locator pin. That's all in this learning module. Thanks.